By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to work out with resistance bands. Are you ready to transform your fitness routine with one of the most versatile and effective tools out there? Let's dive into the world of resistance bands and discover how they can take your workouts to the next level. Imagine being able to carry your entire gym in a small bag. With resistance bands, you can. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, resistance bands offer a wide range of exercises that target every muscle group, helping you build strength, improve flexibility, and enhance your overall fitness. First, we'll cover some of the key exercises you can perform with resistance bands. From bicep curls and tricep extensions to squats and lunges, we'll show you the proper form and techniques to maximize your results. Engaging hook. Did you know that resistance bands can generate up to 150 pounds of resistance? This makes them incredibly effective for muscle growth and endurance training, all while being gentle on your joints. Visual demonstrations now. Let's get into the exercises. Watch closely as we demonstrate each move, ensuring you understand the correct posture and movement. We'll start with some upper body exercises. Bicep curls. Stand on the band with feet shoulder width apart, holding the handles with palms facing up. Curl your hands towards your shoulders, squeezing your biceps at the top. Tricep extensions. Anchor the band above you and hold the handles with palms facing down. Extend your arms fully, then slowly return to the starting position. Shoulder press. Step on the band with feet shoulder width apart. Bring the handles to shoulder height with palms facing forward. Press upwards until your arms are fully extended. Next, we move to lower body exercises. Squats. Stand on the band with feet shoulder width apart, holding the handles at shoulder height. Perform a squat, ensuring your knees don't go past your toes. Lunges. Anchor the band behind you, holding the handles at shoulder height. Step forward into a lunge, maintaining balance and control. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Story. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips and workout guides. Leave a comment below with your favorite resistance band exercise or any questions you have. Your feedback helps me create better content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.